Let's check what happened to the branches this week. So let's go with the first one, which is called Baby Pippin, whatever it is. So this Pippin thing was like hot lately. This dude has 2460 Solana in his pool. Let's see if it's bundled or not. Let me check. It's a bundle launch in my opinion. Let's see. This website is like a good website for you to check if a coin is bundled or not. Oh, we gotta go to his transaction first. So let's go to the baby Pippin. Yeah, what the fuck it is? So this is like the creator, right? This dude is the creator. Let's go. Come on, bro. I hope he didn't make a lot of transactions. So let's see which one is the. He kind of did like a lot of transactions, but never mind. I'll find it. Yeah, this is a transaction. That's the hash. To take the hash, put it right here. It says no matches. So this dude actually didn't use any bumblers. He probably let me check the top traders, insiders and shit. So this is a suspicious wallet. No one bought anything. It's like it could be like a bot or something. This one as well. And this one has like this one bought like 6.7 but sold 21 millions. Uh I don't think so. There is a problem with this one. And also this one bought like 700K and sold 8.5 millions. So this dude he probably bundled it but like slowly, you know. This is how he did it. So this is like a this is not a bad example. I mean, but for being number one on the trenches, this is not the number one for sure. Let's see the second token on dexscreener. Oh, this is like this chart doesn't look like organic at all. This is like fully bought some piece of shit, you know. I don't even want to just like spend my time on it. And let's see what else we have. It's like 2 hours ago. Psych board. Okay, let's see if this one is bundled. Okay. So I gotta go there. Actually, I could just go to the transaction hash. This is like the creation transaction hash. Whoa, it's like a. I didn't know that. That's cool. So this is like a transaction hash. So I don't need to find the first transaction. No matches again. This is not a bundle. So bundlers are not like uh really boosting these ones. These ones are I don't know. I gotta check this, but like I don't want to waste my time with these coins because they're like for very long term kind of stuff, but not really. You know, when you put your effort in it, I don't know if it's worth or not because like there are a lot of things you can do on Solana, obviously. So I mean, just look at the new pairs, newest, and let's see how many people are making. Look at this one. No, not this one. It's not have like that. Okay, so this is like a good example of, but no, no, this is not what I'm looking for. So let's see this one. So this dude didn't come from pump. He added the liquidity on pump swap. And he made something called restore Britain. Well, I heard about London pickpocket stuff. I'm seeing like a lot of videos of it. I don't know. Maybe he's right. So there are like 88 Solana in the pool, but this is not launched on Palm Fund. This dude probably put like 80 Solanas and then it's acting like he launched it on Palm Fund. So let's see how much money he's going to make. I'm curious as well. So for a while, I'm gonna like I thought about like my contents, and from now on, I'm gonna analyze more stuff to understand whatever people are doing right now, and then I'll make like the masterpiece or whatever you call for launching a coin, that kind of video to end like you know I'll make like a great launch videos like once a while, but the main thing is going to be like analyzing the stuff because you already know if you're my follower, you already know how to launch stuff. But if you're not my follower, I can show you just real quick like this tool that I'm using. It's by the way, this guy is just like rugging it or setting little, I don't know. So Aristal's like my go-to tool for launching meme coins because it's because they never did anything wrong to me. I launch a lot of coins here, and also they don't take that much of fees. And I like this customize your token ends with pump. This is really good. Look at this guy, for example. Does he have it? Oh, I closed it already. I'm sorry. We're not going to know it. But anyways, so this one is like my go-to tool. I'm using it mostly, but there are a lot of tools. Or if you know how to write it, you can write it like if you know how to code stuff, you just write your SPL token. It's not that hard. But if you're not into programming, you can use this tool because I mean, this is I know it's safe. That's why I'm telling. So that's it for me today. Um, peace out, everyone. Have a great weekend.